Hello everyone. Welcome to IELTS Academics and General Training. Today, we're going to learn how to use prepositions correctly. This video includes some exercises, along with explanations and examples to help you understand how prepositions work in context. Please comment your score in the comment section below. This exercise contains 25 questions. Try to get at least 22 or 23 correct in a single attempt. Before we dive into the video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. They often indicate direction, location, time, or the way in which something is done. Examples of prepositions: direction, to, into, onto, through. She walked into the room. Location: place, at, on, in, under, over. The keys are on the table. Time: at, on, in, before, after. The meeting is at 3 p.m. Cause-reason method: because of, due to, with, by. He succeeded because of hard work. Common prepositions: about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, near, of, off, on, out, over, through. To, under, up, with, without. Now let's start the exercise. You shall find the answers by using the above information and solve these 25 questions. At the end, check which answers you got correct. 25 question fill in the blank exercise using common prepositions. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. The cat is hiding the couch. We arrived the airport at 7 p.m. The painting hangs the wall. She sat her friend at the movie theater. They walked the park for hours. I found my wallet the sofa cushions. The birds flew the trees. He put the book the shelf. They jumped the pool. My birthday is June. The bus goes the tunnel. We were waiting the train station. He ran the stairs in a hurry. The meeting is scheduled Monday. The ball rolled the table and onto the floor. She leaned the wall and sighed. I left my keys the kitchen counter. He looked the window at the rain. She's good singing and dancing. They moved here the summer. We're going vacation next week. He was born 1995. Don't go the dark alley. She traveled bus to get to school. They live a small village near the coast. Answer key.